DHR 800 fully automatic winding machine for transformer coil production. This machine is designed for round, oval, long circle, and rectangular distribution transformer coils. It is suitable for distribution transformers, mutual inductors, electric reactors, and amorphous alloy coils. The system adopts PLC control and servo motor drive for a high level of automation. Automatic wire arrangement helps improve winding accuracy and production consistency. The coil working range supports axial height up to 800 mm and wound coil outside diameter up to 800 mm. The machine supports enameled wire from 0.3 mm to 4 mm for different transformer coil designs. Winding speed is adjustable from 0 to 280 revolutions per minute, helping meet different production requirements. Automatic spreading, layer insulation supply, round wire flattening, and servo control improve efficiency. The touchscreen and PLC system make operation easier, more stable, and more reliable. This equipment helps transformer factories reduce manual work and improve coil winding quality. TRANFOVIA provides complete transformer manufacturing solutions for winding, core, insulation, and assembly processes. Contact us for customized transformer production equipment.